So there is power in you, and that power needs to flow. So don't look at your feeling. I feel that, yes, you are dry, but you let it start flowing. Yeah, you are having problem with this and that and that. Yes, no problem. Let the power start flowing, because the power flows through the preaching. Because anointing makes you preach, always makes you preach. Once you start preaching, the power, it goes down. So you need to be talking to people about Jesus. God is going to use you. Yes. Some people will just start crying when they are near you. Yeah, because there's power in you, and they're hoping that you open your mouth and talk. Of course, there are some people who will say shut up, but it doesn't matter. The sower went out to sow, and some of the people did not receive, and the enemy stole the word. So, dear friend, today marks the beginning of your teaching and preaching. Teaching and preaching. Receive the teaching anointing. Receive the preaching anointing. You are anointed as a preacher. You are anointed as a teacher. You are not anointed to have feelings. You are anointed to preach. I need to hear you preaching. I need you to start flowing in teachings and preachings. Don't depend on what feeling you are feeling. Sit down, let me tell you something. One day I was watching Benny Hinn was preaching.